Woke up this morning in the new apartment slash office slash new regime slash transformation that I've been talking about in a while. The switch has been made. I'm in full effect. And it's all symbolic of the total shift that's going on ever since I got involved with, you guessed it, the Boss Suite, which, by the way, you can already go to at moderndayincome.com. The date presently is April the 10th, and I just want to let you guys know there is a $100 off sale going on by the company. It goes on every once in a while for when we hit certain milestones or just whenever the creator, owner, Miss Madison Haddon, feels like doing it, right? Just to celebrate. We're now at 11,000 members, and that's 11,000 paid members. And you got to think at $597, what is making this training so attractable? Why are so many people getting involved? I mean, 11,000 overall. And of course, that has to do with people like myself that are promoting the Boss Suite, letting you know how valuable it is. Because it's not just a course, buying a course to resell a course in order to make money, but it's a course that teaches over 20 different methods of generating an income. Over 20 different methods. Just think about that. And one of them is if you're already an affiliate marketer and you see the value in this after you've invested, of course, because how else would you know what's in it if you did not invest in it, right? How could you promote it if you didn't know what's in it, right? Well, this is an opportunity that the Boss Suite allows. And you can earn from $423 to $507, even more, just depending on how you choose to enter into the Boss Suite and if you choose at all to promote it. A lot of folks aren't promoting the Boss Suite. A lot of the students are using the income generation methods like the user generated content model, the Amazon KDP model, the Amazon review model, and the sweepstakes letter writing model. These are courses taught within the Boss Suite University, so to speak, because that's what it is. It's an online university, an online trade school where you get certified in over 20 plus income generation methods. You know, a lot of people are promoting all these different training programs and all these different things, but they're not really getting anywhere with it. A lot of those people who were promoting those programs are now inside the Boss Suite saying how refreshing it is to actually have a training program that actually trains you on something instead of just telling you to resell the program itself. You see what I'm saying? That's why this is valuable. And being that I'm already experienced in affiliate marketing and I see the value, well, I'm choosing to promote this to you. And right now, up until I want to say 9 p.m. Central Time tonight, it's going to be $100 off. Go to moderndayincome.com and hit the button that says Get the Boss Suite because you're also getting an exclusive bonus from me that you're not going to get from any of the other Boss Suite affiliates, okay? That's inside thing there I'm just telling you about. And what it is access to a training that the Boss Suite doesn't have. It's a training on how to make your own software and then get paid recurring monthly income from that software. But you don't even need to know coding. That's the catch. You don't need to know coding to build this software. This training is going to teach you how to do it step by step in the training itself. And as soon as I see that you're inside the Boss Suite, you can consider this one additional big training that's done almost live training, but it's step by step over the shoulder, showing you exactly how to validate, how to choose what type of software you need to build, and it's gonna the steps are gonna walk you through something that's gonna actually do it for you. You're just inputting the information. That's all you're doing. And then the work is done for you. It's awesome. You're going to want this bonus that you can get exclusively from me, William C. Rogers, by going to moderndayincome.com and hit that Get the Boss button. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. And always, always remember to stay focused. Wanted to add something too before I forget. When you get to moderndayincome.com and you hit that Get the Boss button, as I said, currently there is $100 off promo going on up until I think it's 9 p.m. Central tonight, if this is April the 10th. But even if the sale is no longer available, its normal price is $5.97, which is what most people have been coming in. But here's the thing. A lot of people have been coming in with using payment plans, and I don't know how longer I can keep the payment plans up, but once you hit that Get the Boss button on moderndayincome.com, you'll also see payment plan options. There's a payment plan where you can pay later, you can spread out the payments with over 3 payments, and there's even some options toward the bottom, such as Klarna and the Afterpay stuff. You're going to see, and you can click on those buttons and see if you're eligible to just make a small down payment, and you'll get the full access to the Boss Suite courses. You'll get the full curriculum, and you'll just pay it out over time. And in some instances, as many members have done, they found that they qualified where they didn't even have to make a payment up front at all. Okay, you'll see those options exist. But I just wanted to mention that, and I almost forgot. Currently, there are payment plan options, and there's several different ones. Go through them, try them out. If that's only if the investment might be a little too steep for you right now. I know times are hard. We're living in economic pressures, but I'm telling you, once you get inside and start utilizing what you're learning and implementing what you're learning, the economic pressure is going to ease a bit. It's going to ease a bit because you're going to have skills to generate income in multiple different ways, aside from just selling a thing. There's other ways of making money online, y'all. There's other ways that you may not, I'm probably sure you don't know about, and you need to find out. All right? That's moderndayincome.com. Hit that Boss Suite button. If you need to see a look on the inside, you'll see there's also an option up there that says sneak peek, and the owner, Madison Adams, she'll take you behind the scenes and show you how it looks on the inside. But you're not missing out on anything. My strongest suggestion to you and recommendation to you is to just hit that Get the Boss button. You can read through. I've written up a synopsis of everything that's in there. And if you need the options, there are payment options there for you. All right? All right. See you on the inside.